Imagine unwinding in the soothing sway of a hammock as the sun sets, or starting a campfire with the click of a button. Whether it's the comforting embrace of thick woven cotton suspended beneath the trees, the spark of a solar lighter, the safety of a log grabber, or the refreshment from a portable shower after a day at the beach, our collection of outdoor essentials brings convenience, safety, and pleasure to your open-air adventures. Join us as we delve into some of the most innovative and user-friendly products designed to transform your outdoor experiences. Whether at home, on a hike, or far from the beaten path, embrace the luxury of modern convenience combined with the rustic charms of nature. The double hammock brings both beauty and usefulness right into your backyard, crafting the perfect spot to relax. This hammock, inspired by the vibrant and passionate Brazilian style, features eye-catching stripes that will make it the centerpiece of your garden or yard. It's not just about good looks, though. Comfort is a priority. Designed with a thick and tightly woven cotton fabric, it evenly distributes your weight at the center while the sides gently cradle you, creating a sensation of weightlessness for ultimate relaxation. This double hammock comes equipped with a strong steel stand and can accommodate 2 people comfortably, supporting a total weight of up to 450 pounds. Setting it up is a breeze too. It's straightforward and doesn't require any tools, so you'll be ready to relax in about 10 minutes. Meet the Suncase Gear Solar Lighter, your new sunny sidekick for lighting things up fast and effortlessly. This innovative tool is an ideal companion for outdoor enthusiasts and anyone interested in eco-friendly alternatives. The solar lighter works by capturing sunlight with its mirrors and directing it to a specific point to create a spark, making it very effective even in challenging conditions. Since it uses solar energy, you can rely on it wherever there's sunshine, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or backyard barbecues. It's a green choice, as it doesn't release pollutants, relying on the sun's clean energy, which is available and free everywhere. Cost efficiency is another benefit of the Suncase Gear Solar Lighter. It eliminates the need for disposable lighters or purchasing fuel, which can be both expensive and harmful to the environment. Introducing the PK Bin Fire Tong Log Grabber, making fire handling safer and more convenient for everyone from campers to homeowners. Picture yourself comfortably seated by a campfire or fireplace, enjoying the warmth without the worry of getting too close to the flames. This log grabber makes that scenario possible. Crafted for durability and effectiveness, this tool allows you to adjust the positioning of logs and coals from a safe distance, preventing the risks associated with direct contact with fire. It's incredibly user-friendly, equipped with a mechanism that provides a firm grip on the wood, ensuring that you can control and maneuver heavy pieces effortlessly. Meet the Rinse Kit Pro Portable Shower, your go-to for an amazing outdoor shower, whether you're camping, hitting the beach, or embracing van life. This portable shower stands out with its impressive 3.5-gallon capacity, providing up to 5 minutes of shower time. That's 3 times more than most portable showers, allowing for a comprehensive and satisfactory shower anywhere. What makes the Rinse Kit Pro especially convenient is its simplicity and efficacy. You can fill it from any water source, turn it on, and instantly enjoy a high-pressure shower, thanks to its unique battery-powered pressurization system that delivers a consistent 50 psi. This means you can easily rinse off dry dirt and grime, enjoying a shower as powerful as the one at home without any need for manual pumping. Discover the comfort of the great outdoors with the Therme Rest Trail Pro self-inflating camping pad, blending convenience and cozy into your camping adventures. Imagine finishing a long day of hiking and being able to set up your sleeping area effortlessly. This camping pad simplifies your setup because it's self-inflating. You just need to unroll it and let it do its magic. No need for an air pump or to exhaust yourself blowing it up after a tiring day outdoors. With its self-inflating feature, this pad provides a comfortable and insulated sleeping surface, ensuring a good night's sleep by keeping you cushioned from the hard ground and insulated from the cold. It's also designed to be lightweight and easy to pack so it won't weigh you down or take up too much space among your camping gear. Say hello to hydration anywhere with the Philips Water Go Zero Active Water Bottle, ideal for hikers, campers, and sports lovers alike. This innovative 20-ounce bottle isn't just any water bottle. It comes equipped with 2 types of filters to ensure you always have access to clean water. The Adventure filter is designed for natural water sources like rivers and lakes, removing 99.999% of viruses, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. On the other hand, the Fitness filter is great for tap water, improving taste by reducing chlorine and lead, perfect for daily use in sports. This water bottle is made of food-grade plastic, ensuring safety since it's free from harmful chemicals like BPA. Drinking from it is hassle-free. Just give it a light squeeze to enjoy fresh water instantly without pumping or waiting. It's also dishwasher safe, except for the filter, making cleaning effortless. Meet the Lightsaver Portable Solar Charger, your must-have for outdoor adventures when you want to keep connected without missing a beat. This compact, rollable solar charger is incredibly convenient, making it easy to attach to backpacks or tents to harness solar energy while you're hiking, camping, or engaging in any outdoor activities. With an integrated battery, the Lightsaver collects solar power throughout the day, even in low-light conditions, ensuring that you have a reliable power source to charge your devices anytime. It's particularly useful for charging smartphones, cameras, and GPS devices, keeping your essential gadgets powered up when you're away from conventional charging sources. This solar charger is not only lightweight and easy to carry, but also durable, designed to withstand outdoor environments. It provides a sustainable way to generate power, reducing your environmental impact by relying on renewable energy. Whether you're an adventurer or just need an emergency power backup, the Lightsaver Portable Solar Charger offers a practical solution. Finally, meet the Nightcore EMR40, the powerful and convenient ally for outdoor lovers and anyone wanting to stay prepared for power outages and emergencies. Imagine having a reliable source of light that is also capable of charging your devices, all in one compact package. That's exactly what the EMR40 offers. Designed with versatility in mind, this device serves as both an efficient flashlight and a portable power bank. This means you can light up dark spaces during outdoor adventures or in case of power loss, and at the same time, keep your smartphone or other small electronic devices charged. Its user-friendly design ensures that you can easily switch between functions, making it a practical choice for camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the latest and greatest in outdoor essentials. We hope you found our discoveries as fascinating and useful as we do, and that they inspire you to make your outdoor adventures even more enjoyable. If you loved exploring these innovative products with us, remember to hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and allows us to bring more content like this to you. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing. We're always on the lookout for groundbreaking gadgets and gear that enhance your time under the open sky, and we'd love for you to be part of this adventure-loving community. Until our next exploration, keep adventuring, stay safe, and as always, cherish the great outdoors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.